New invention will change common sense. It is very traditional but very special smart. With new technology, a ceiling fan can be directly installed beside a light. Then the ceiling fan and the light can be controlled by a single pole switch without using special rotary switch and rewiring. Installaton is very easy. Just a hot wire connects to the switch, the light and the fan, and a neutral wire only connects to the light and the fan. The switch does not need neutral wire. It becomes smart because there is a special circuit board inside or beside the light. Actually, every light has its own circuit board. Without using special rotary switch and wireless controller, just a single pole switch can independently control to lights and to fans along with a single hot wire. Installation is incredibly easy. Only a single hot wire connects to all switches, lights and fans, and a neutral wire only connects to lights and fans. The switches do not need neutral wire. Controlling at multiple locations is also very simple. Just installing the same switches at proper locations along with a hot wire. You can install one gang or two gang single pole switches freely according to your requirements. All are such simple. At the same time there will be socket function beside the lights. The ceiling fan and light is popular for space saving, energy saving and quiet. But it has to be controlled by wireless controller. There will be a big problem when there are several fan and lights in a room, such as in a dorm, restaurant, exhibition position and etc. It is very hard to control one fan and lights without affecting others. Turn on one light, another light is also turned on. There will be no problem with new technology. Only a single pole switch can accurately control any one of fan and lights. Installation is incredibly easy. Just a hot wire connects to all switches and fan and lights. Neutral wire only connects to fan and lights. The switches don't need neutral wire. Controlling at multiple locations is also very simple. Just install the same switches at proper positions along with a hot wire. You can install one gang or two gang single pole switches freely according to your requirements. Along with a single wire, single pole switches can control 6 lights independently.